What is 5S? 5S is a simple yet effective approach developed by Toyota to create an organized and efficient workplace. It is widely used in manufacturing as well as in corporate office setup. Let's understand each S clearly. First, sort. Identify and remove unnecessary items from your workspace. Keep only what is essential. Regularly check and discard outdated tools, defective items, or excess materials. Second, set in order. Arrange necessary items in a way that minimizes searching time. Place frequently used tools within easy reach and label storage areas clearly. Use shadow boards or color coding to mark where items belong. Third, shine. Clean your work area regularly to maintain cleanliness and prevent potential hazards. Daily cleaning tasks like sweeping, wiping, and organizing should be part of your routine. Fourth, standardize. Create clear standards for maintaining organization and cleanliness. Develop visual cues like charts, checklists, and signs to reinforce 5S practices. Consistency improves when everyone follows the same standards. Fifth, sustain. Make 5S a habit and part of the work culture. Remember, sustaining 5S requires discipline and continuous effort. By applying the 5S principles daily, we can create a more efficient and productive workplace.